Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Welcome to our new lecture video. Today's our lecture topic is Lagrange interpolation. Lagrange interpolation is a part of numerical methods. So today we will learn about Lagrange interpolation. So first of all, what is interpolation? Interpolation is a method of finding new data points within the range of a discrete set of known data points. Lagrange interpolation is a polynomial approximation of f of nth degree of x. Here, the value of x are 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6, and value of f of x are 1, 14, 15, 5, 6, and 19th. So we don't know the equation. Here, the value of x is 0, and for that f of x is 1. So by using Lagrange interpolation, we can find the value of f of x. If someone give us a value of x, we can find the value of f of x. So now what is the formula of Lagrange interpolation? So the formula of Lagrange interpolation is f of x is equal to f0 into L0 plus f1 into L1 plus f2 into L2 plus f3 into L3 plus f4 into L4 and continue. So how much we will continue this? We will know that in order. Now what is L0 and F0? First of all, going to L0. L0 is a fraction where the numerator will be x minus x1 into x minus x2 into x minus x3 into x minus x4 and continue. And the denominator are x0 minus x1, x0 minus x2. So how we will remember these things? Here L0 that means L0 that means we have to subtract every value of x except x0. Okay, except x0. Here it is a L0, so we have to subtract every value of x from x in the numerator and multiply them and except L0. And in the denominator we have to subtract the same values of x. That means here x1, x2, x3, x4, x5. So x1, x2, x3, x4 and x5 from what it is L0, so we have to subtract them in denominator from x0. Okay, same for the L1. As it is L1, so we have to subtract every value of x from x in the numerator except x1. Okay, and we have to subtract the same values of x from, as it is L1, so we have to subtract from x1 in the denominator. Now how much we will continue this? So for this that we have to know about order. Here second order is equal to 3 elements, 4 elements is equal to third order, 5 elements is equal to fourth order. So we can say that order is 1 less than total elements. Here our in this chart our total elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our total order will be less than total elements, as it is 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our order will be fifth order. Fifth order means we have to subtract total 5 values from x in the numerator, and same we have to subtract total 5 value from x0 in the denominator. Next, here is a problem and solution. Find f of x for x is equal to 5.7 using Lagrange interpolation. Okay, here our value of x is 5.7. We have to find the f of x by using Lagrange interpolation. Okay, so here our total values are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our order will be fifth order, as total elements are 6. So total our order will be fifth order. So we know that fifth order P5 as our values is um, x of values is 5.7. So fifth order P 5.7 is equal to f0 L0 plus f1 L1 plus f2 L2 plus f3 L3 plus f4 L4 plus f5 L5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, as it is fifth order, so our total elements will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we have to find L0, L1, L2, L3, L4, L5, and then F0, F1, F2, F3, F4, F5. So what is f0, f1, f2, f3, f4, f5? So these are the values of f of x, as it will start from f0, f1, then f2, then f3, then f4, and then f5. So it is f0, it is f5. So now L0, as it is L0, our equation will be x minus except x0, x minus x1, x2, x3 to x5. This is x1, this is x2, x3, x4, x5, and x0, x1, x2, x3, x4, and x5. f0, f1, f2, f3, f4, and f5. So in the numerator of the fraction, we have to subtract every values of x except x0 from x, and in the denominator we have to subtract the same values, just one difference, that is we have to subtract from, as it is L0, so we have to subtract x from x0. So by the values here, our value of L0 is 0.0259. Next we have to find L1. So by the same process we are finding L1. As it is L1, we have to subtract every values of x except x1. So x minus x0, x minus x2, x minus x3, x minus x4, x minus x5. In the denominator we have to subtract the same values of x from, as it is L1, so it is x1. The here is value, and for L2 we have to subtract the every value except x2, as it is L2, so we have to cancel x2 here, x1, x3, so x2 is cancelled, and the denominator we have to subtract every values of x except x2 from x2, as it is L2. So this is the value of L2, and by the same procedure value of L3 is minus 0.4337, L4 is 0.8425, and L5 is 0.4915. So now P5 5.7 is equal to F0, L0, F1, L1, F2, L2, F3, L3, F4, L4, and F5, L5. So by the value and calculation, our value is 13.4834. Look at here, how we will know that our answer is accurate or false? Inaccurate. Here our value of x is 5.7. 5.7 is lies in between 5 and 6. Okay, 5 and 6, 5.7 lies in between 5 and 6. So our answer will be lies between 6 and 19th. Okay, so here answer is 13.4834. It is obviously lies in between 6 and 19th. So we can say that our answer is absolutely correct. So that's all about Lagrange interpolation. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. Assalamu alaikum everyone.